Shoot me! Fast!
The victim confronted the suspect at a gas station near Scottsdale and McKellips Road.
Get the truck, bro! Get the back! Go back to your truck! Go look at the back of your truck! Look, pretty good, bro. Bro, go look at the back of your truck. Look at the back. My truck right there. I got no camera. Hey, bro, don't worry. It's yours. It's yours. What? Oh, Pete. Hey, what's up? This dude out here with a gun out here tripping. In your lot. What? Where? He's right here. And the SUV? Yeah. Right here, right now. Bro, what's he doing?
Here you can see Santos driving abruptly towards the victim and hitting the curb in front of the convenience store. The victim told officers he observed a gun in the waistband of Santos during this confrontation. After the victim left the convenience store, he drove back to the hotel and called 911.
Scottsdale 911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police.
What's the address?
Bixby Hotel. The problem happened on the parking lot. The guy hit my truck. He's in a SUV. He's still out here now. He drunk. He pulled a weapon out. He came back. He just wasted. So I just approached him, telling me, "Hey, you hit my truck. I'm looking at you," and he just started going off crazy, and he pulled out.
Here you can see the suspect driving in to the hotel parking lot. Officers contacted Santos at his passenger side door and began to give commands to Santos while pointing their duty weapons at him.
Do not move, okay?
What the fuck you guys talking about?
Open the door. Keep your hands up.
Have anyone driver's side?
Keep your fucking hands up right now.
Shoot me.
Back up.
Put your hands up.
Shoot me, here.
Yep, go. Back up.
Hey. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
During the commands from officers, he threw a piece of his clothing out the window and continued to scream aggressively. A canine is deployed through the open front passenger side window. Simultaneously, an officer fires his duty weapon through the front windshield. This is a slowed-down version of the body-worn camera when the officer-involved shooting took place. Santos quickly reaches behind the front passenger seat. Here is a view from the canine handler's body-worn camera.
Put your hands up. No. Put your hands up. Listen, dude.
Put your hands up now. Get your fucking hands in the air.
Shoot me. Fast.